So it's toolbox 2, which I got from AliExpress, installed it to my tablet, which I bought also on AliExpress for $70, which I use for my project adjusting. It's Tesla S model type that is cutted on the pellet form and made with tank carbon body. So for adjusting I use this toolbox for adjusting the calibration. So it's work, and I can adjust some function here, like air suspension, brakes, keys, check the battery. Just I don't have a lot of experience for using it. Anyway, I can change some function, I can calibrate, I can delete errors and do diagnostic. For example, here you can see diagnostic and free all errors. But for example, I put in the cleaning of errors. I wanted. I need to. My car is now off. I put brakes and go on, and will repair. Now it's cleaning everything. After that, I can use car function. Some more than for it's sometimes if it's stuck at something, it cannot be used. So like sunroof or windows,